Good morning, dear students. So, today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. So, listen it carefully. Once upon a time, there was one dog and a Baloo. Dog comes to Baloo with a broken bat. Baloo joined the bat with the glue. Now, one crow came to Baloo with two words, and he requests to join the words. Again, Baloo joined the words with the help of and word, A-N-D, and. Now, all the animals asked Baloo that with the help of which power you are doing this. Now, the Baloo said, I have the power of conjunctions. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. They join words and sentences. कंजंक्शन ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं जो वर्ड्स और सेंटेंसेस को आपस में ज्वाइन करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, crow has an apple, crow has an orange. Now you can join these two sentences with the help of one word, and the word is and. Now, crow has an apple and an orange. Jojo can go to the circus. Jojo can go to the astrologer. Now Jojo is confused here because Jojo can go to the circus and Jojo can go to the astrologer. Now there is a choice. So whenever there is a choice in a sentence में जब कोई choice होती है, then we have to add the word or. So the sentence become Jojo can go to the circus or to the astrologer. Now, third is big, kitty is small. Now there is a opposite ideas, big and small. So the two opposite sentences, whenever there are two opposite ideas, you have to join them with the word but. Third is big but kitty is small. So with the help of these conjunctions and, but, and or, you can join the sentences or words very easily. So as glue is to paper, conjunctions are to words. They make English easier by simply joining words. I hope, children, you will understand through this story. So this is the story of conjunction. Thank you, children.